Hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. So today we're going to discuss about how to use Filezilla to open PEM file. Okay, so now first you click here. I'm again clicking. Just look at here. Click here, and I'm using new site. So I'm just using right AWS. Right AWS. And you need to give permission your machine. Okay, once again my PEM file present in download folder, so I'm right now in the downloads directory. So you need to give permission, see as port 400 and your PEM file. Okay, permission is done. Now I'm coming again Filezilla photo, Filezilla. So I'm selecting here SFTP. We need to write here host name. So this is my host, this is my IP address, and anonymous I'm selecting right now. Use key file. Okay, I have key file presenting in my download folder. I'm going to my download. Where is my file? 1 second. Where is my file? Let me check again. 1 second. This is my PEM file. Finally found it. Then my username is username EC2. Now clicking on connect button. Finally I enter in my machine. My machine part is where www and stl. Look here, all files is here. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a like. If you have any doubt, please comment on my video. Definitely I will share my feedback with you. Thank you for watching my video.